from the Midland Public Library here with our very last Cooking with Kids recipe video. And today I'm going to show you how to make a simple and easy banana and strawberry smoothie. Anyone can make it, whether you're a child or an adult. Let's see what we need to make this smoothie. I've got some ice because I like my smoothie super cold. I've got 2 tablespoons of my favorite yogurt, a cup and a half of frozen strawberries, some ground flax seeds, but you could also use whole flax seeds or chia seeds, any seed that you like. My favorite milk, which is an almond milk, but feel free to use cow's milk or oat milk or even orange juice or apple juice, whatever you've got at home. And then I have 1 banana that had previously been frozen, but I just frosted it a little bit so that I could cut it into smaller pieces. Okay, let's get into making this smoothie. So when you're making a smoothie, it's really important that you add your liquid ingredients first. This will help your smoothie get going and blend. So first up, I'm going to add my milk. And then I'm just going to work on adding all my other soft ingredients. And the last thing I'll add is, of course, my ice. So that was my yogurt. And next I'm going to add my flax seeds. Let me just get a spoon out here. I'm just going to estimate, but I'm adding about a tablespoon of flax seeds. And then my bananas are pretty soft, so I'm going to add those next. And then my frozen strawberries. What color do you think this will be? Probably a nice pink. And last, I'm just going to add my ice. I'm just going to add 3 cubes of ice for now. And if I want to add more after, I can totally do that. Okay, I'm going to put my lid on, make sure it's nice and secure, and give it a blend. So my smoothie's pretty thick right now. I'm just going to add a bit more milk, about another cup, and I'm also going to add the rest of my ice. Make sure that lid is super secure. We won't want an accident. So I decided to split my smoothie into some little cups so I could share it with some of my friends here at the library, and it turned out really great. I'm so excited to see all the smoothie creations that you're able to make, maybe for breakfast or a snack after school or on a weekend. It's such an easy recipe. I know that all of you can do it. Thanks for watching this Cooking with Kids video, everyone. See you later. Bye!